Close your eyes and imagine a place so rare, so breathtaking, that even the locals don't know it exists. Hidden lakes glowing in neon blue, secret valleys carved by forgotten rivers, and islands that vanish with the tides. These aren't scenes from a dream. They're real places scattered quietly across our planet, waiting to be found. Today, we're taking you on a journey beyond the ordinary. This is Unseen Wonders, the hidden places even locals can't believe exist. Our world is full of famous landmarks: the Eiffel Tower, the Grand Canyon, the Great Wall of China. But beyond the tourist trails lies another world, mysterious, untouched, and extraordinary. From frozen caves to glowing beaches, from American deserts to the edges of the earth, these are the places that redefine the meaning of beauty. Let's opaque your curiosity, and let's begin this adventure to discover the unseen corners of our planet, where nature, time, and wonder meet. Globe showing Europe, Africa, the Unseen Wonders One. The Wave, Arizona, USA. In the desert of northern Arizona lies a natural sculpture so surreal, it feels like stepping inside a painting. The Wave, its sandstone ridges twist and flow like liquid fire, formed over millions of years by wind and rain. Only a few visitors a day are allowed to witness this geological masterpiece, making it one of America's most exclusive hidden treasures. Gemstone 2, marble caves, Chile, far in Patagonia, deep beneath glacial waters. The marble caves shimmer like crystal cathedrals. The turquoise reflections from the lake bounce off marble walls, painting the cave in shades of blue that change every hour. It's a place where silence sings and time stands still, a true masterpiece of water and stone. Evergreen Tree 3, Crooked Forest, Poland, a forest that bends the laws of nature, literally. Over 400 pine trees curve sharply at their base, all in the same direction, forming the mysterious Crooked Forest of Poland. No one knows for sure how they grew this way. Was it human influence or a quirk of gravity? Whatever the reason, this odd woodland continues to baffle scientists and intrigue travelers. Fire Form, Fly Geyser, Nevada, USA, tucked away in the Black Rock Desert, this rainbow-colored geyser looks like it belongs on another planet. The Fly Geyser sprays boiling water several feet into the air, coating its cone in vivid hues of green, red, and orange, created by heat-loving minerals and algae. It was discovered by accident during a drilling operation in the 1960s, and it's now one of the strangest wonders of the American West. Desert Island 5, Hidden Beach, Marietta Islands, Mexico, a secret beach concealed beneath the ground, reachable only through a water tunnel. The hidden beach of Marietta Islands feels like a secret world. Sunlight pours through a circular opening, illuminating turquoise water and golden sand. It's one of those places that remind us how nature loves to hide its most beautiful creations. Ice Cube 6, Ice Caves of Vatnajökull. Iceland, under Europe's largest glacier, lies a frozen kingdom, the Ice Caves of Vatnajökull. Each winter, new tunnels form within the glacier's heart, glowing in shades of blue so pure they seem unreal. Standing inside feels like being trapped inside a sapphire, surrounded by the echoes of melting ice and the deep heartbeat of the earth. Sunrise 7, Dry Tortugas National Park, Florida, USA. 70 miles west of Key West lies a fortress surrounded by turquoise seas, Dry Tortugas National Park, accessible only by boat or seaplane. It's a hidden paradise of coral reefs, sea turtles, and historic ruins. Most travelers never make it here, but those who do find themselves in one of America's most magical and peaceful escapes. National Park 8, Mount Roraima, Venezuela. Soaring above the clouds at the border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana stands Mount Roraima, a flat-topped mountain believed by some tribes to be the stump of the sacred tree that once held all the fruits of the world. Its mysterious cliffs inspired scenes in Avatar and the Lost World. On its misty plateau, unique plants and animals exist nowhere else on Earth. Sunrise over Mountains 9, Antelope Canyon, Arizona, USA. Hidden beneath the Arizona desert lies a narrow canyon carved by flash floods of time. The sunlight that seeps through its cracks transforms the walls into rivers of red and gold. Known as Antelope Canyon, it's a sacred place to the Navajo people and one of nature's greatest works of art. Water Wave 10. Fingal's Cave, Scotland. Off the coast of Scotland lies a sea cave that hums like an organ. Formed entirely from hexagonal basalt columns, Fingal's Cave produces haunting echoes as waves crash inside. Its natural acoustics once inspired composer Felix Mendelssohn, and countless legends of sea spirits that guard its entrance. Volcano 11. Door to Hell, Turkmenistan, deep in the Karakum Desert. A giant crater has been burning for over 50 years. Called the Door to Hell, it was created when a Soviet drilling rig collapsed into a natural gas pocket. Scientists set it alight to prevent gas leaks, not realizing it would never stop burning. At night, it glows like a portal to another world. Milky Way 12. Waitomo, Glowworm Caves, New Zealand. Imagine sailing through total darkness and looking up to see the ceiling glittering like a galaxy. The Waitomo Caves are home to thousands of glowworms that light up the cave's roof with a soft blue glow. It's a natural night sky underground, a reminder that even in darkness, beauty can shine. 13. Sala de Uyuni, Bolivia. At 12,000 feet above sea level lies the largest salt flat on Earth, Sala de Uyuni. During the rainy season, it turns into a perfect mirror, reflecting the sky so flawlessly that the horizon disappears. Walking here feels like walking on clouds, one of Earth's most surreal experiences. Hibiscus 14. Socotra Island, Yemen. Far off the coast of Yemen lies an island so strange it's often called the alien planet on Earth. Socotra is home to the dragon blood tree, an umbrella-shaped wonder that bleeds red sap. Isolated for millions of years, its wildlife and plants exist nowhere else. It's a place that feels untouched by time. Shooting Star 15. Great Basin Desert, Nevada, USA. Far from city lights, in the quiet heart of Nevada, lies one of the darkest skies on Earth, the Great Basin Desert. When night falls, the Milky Way bursts to life above the desert floor. It's a haven for stargazers and dreamers, proof that the greatest wonders aren't always on the ground. Sometimes they're above us. Deciduous Tree 16. Cenote Itzcuintla, Mexico. Just outside the ancient Mayan city of Chichen Itza lies Cenote Itzcuintla, a natural sinkhole filled with crystal clear water. Sunlight filters through hanging vines, and swimmers float where Mayan priests once offered sacrifices to the gods. It's haunting, magical, and breathtaking all at once. Snow-capped Mountain 17. Zhangjiajie Forest, China. Towering stone pillars rise from the mist in Zhangjiajie, so majestic that they inspired the floating mountains of Avatar. These sandstone peaks, shrouded in fog and covered with greenery, form one of the most dreamlike landscapes on Earth. Desert 18. White Pocket, Arizona, USA. Hidden within the Vermilion Cliffs National Monument, White Pocket is like a smaller, secret sibling of the wave. Swirls of red, pink, and white sandstone twist into impossible shapes, so remote that few travelers ever find it. It's the perfect example of nature's artistry hidden in plain sight. Milky Way 19. Trolltunga, Norway. High above a fjord in western Norway, a rock juts out like a tongue over 1,000 feet of emptiness. Trolltunga. It takes hours of hiking to reach, but the view from the top feels like standing at the edge of the world. One of nature's most breathtaking balconies. Hole 20. The Enchanted River, Philippines. Deep in the island of Mindanao flows a river so clear and blue it seems supernatural. Locals call it enchanted. They say it's guarded by spirits. Its waters are impossibly deep, and divers have never found the source. A mystery that nature still keeps. Volcano 21. Mount Yeaser, Vanuatu, on a remote island in the South Pacific. Mount Yeaser has been erupting for hundreds of years, one of the world's most accessible active volcanoes. Visitors can stand at its rim and watch molten lava burst into the night sky. It's raw, powerful, and humbling, the heartbeat of the planet itself. Sunrise 22. Lake Hillier, Australia. Bubblegum pink lake surrounded by lush forest. That's Lake Hillier. Scientists believe its color comes from microscopic algae that thrive in salty water. From above, the bright pink lake sits beside deep blue ocean, a natural painting so vibrant it almost looks unreal. Globe showing Europe, Africa 23. The Faroe Islands, Denmark, halfway between Iceland and Norway, lies a cluster of islands where waterfalls tumble directly into the sea and sheep outnumber people. The Faroe Islands remain one of Europe's last untouched treasures. Dramatic cliffs, emerald hills, and cozy villages that seem frozen in time. Sunrise over mountains 24. Sun Dung Cave, Vietnam. Discovered only in the 1990s, Sun Dung is the largest cave on Earth, so vast it could fit a skyscraper inside. Its ceiling collapsed long ago, letting sunlight and forest grow within. It's a world within a world, an unseen wonder that reminds us how little we still know about our planet. Waterwave 25. Great Blue Hole, Belize. Off the coast of Belize, a massive blue circle opens in the Caribbean Sea, the Great Blue Hole. Formed during the Ice Age, this underwater sinkhole is now one of the world's most stunning diving sites. From above, its deep sapphire color stands out like an eye staring back at you from the ocean depths. Our world is filled with places that defy imagination, some hidden in the depths of the earth, others high above the clouds. They remind us that no matter how much we explore, there's always more to discover. Oh, which of these unseen wonders will you visit first? If you love this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon, because at best places to visit, the adventure never ends. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wondering, and never stop discovering the unseen.